Good morning, students. Let us come to our English literature part. The lesson is which lesson? The half a gift. That lesson, page number 27. Look at page number 27 in the textbook. See here, page number 27. Second exercise is there. In the box, you have to write. Look at the following statements. Write T for true. One small box is given. If it is true, you have to write T. If it is false, you have to write false in the yellow box. And if you don't know, what you have to write? DK. DK means don't know. Write T for true, F for false, and DK don't know if you can't tell from the text. Now, these sentences are from this lesson. Which lesson? This lesson. This lesson is there, no? This lesson. These sentences are there from this lesson, half a gift. Okay, so if it is true, we have to write true. If it is false, we have to write false. And if we don't know, we have to write DK. Now, first sentence. Nick worked as a waiter. Did he work as a waiter? No. It is a false statement. So, write F in the box. Second, the narrator of the story is Joe. Narrator means who is telling. Narrator means the one who is speaking or the one who is telling. It is true. Third one, Joe's mother was a beautiful lady. We don't know how. In the book, what is there? She was a hard-working lady. She did all her work. Every day she worked very hard. This much we know. So, write there DK. Third one is DK. Joe's mother was a beautiful lady. We don't know that. Then fourth one, Joe's father worked at a furniture shop. It is false. He worked in a small office as a clerk. So, he worked at a furniture shop is false. Next sentence, Nick had more money than Joe to buy the gift. It is a true sentence. True. Then, Joe bought a scrub pail to give his mother as a gift. It is false. What did he bring? He brought a comb. He did not bring a pail and a scrub. It is false. Then, father knew what gift Joe had brought for his mother. It is also false. Father didn't know what it is. Then, Joe and Nick worked for 15 days at the furniture shop. Here also we don't know, because here we only know that they worked at a furniture shop. But how many days, it is not mentioned there. It is only mentioned that they worked in the shop. So, we do not know that. So, write there DK. Joe and Nick always got birthday gifts from their father. Yes, it is a true sentence. Write there true. Then, father knew that Joe and Nick were working as porters. Porter means those who carry loads, heavy loads. Porters. We don't know that. He knew that they are working somewhere, but that they were porters, he didn't know. So, we don't know this answer. So, write there DK. Last is, father was downstairs when Nick gave his gift to mother. Yes, it is a true statement. Now, after this, look at the word power. Page number 27, word power. The letters are there. They are not arranged properly. They are jumbled. So, the correct answer I have written there. Just see it. ITP, it is a tip. They were working. They used to get tip, means some people when they work, they give some extra money. That is called tip. Second is gift. Write it in the textbook only. Don't write it in the notebook. In the textbook only. Gift. Third one is prize. See a prize. Third one is what? Prize. Fourth word is bonus. Bonus means some festival comes, we get more money now for the work we do. They give us extra money, extra thing, that is called as bonus. Present. Everyone knows what is a present. And donation. Donation means we donate. We donate food. We donate clothes. We donate money. Donation means what we have, we give it to others. So, these 6 words you have to write in the textbook only. See here on page number 27. In front you have to write these correct words. These words are jumbled. I have arranged it properly. You have to look and write it over here. Page number 27. Now, look at page number 28. Here you will see some words only I have written. Some sentences are half. Now, why it is half like that, I will tell you. Complete the questions. Now, here what we have to do, complete the questions. See here, What's your name? Blank. Dash 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 student. Where dash? Dash question mark is there. Then again dash any brother question mark is there. How and question mark is there. And here the words are there. Nisha. Yes, I am. In model town. Yes, a little one. He is 3. Now these things we had to arrange it properly. So that is why. What's your name? Nisha. Right in the first line. Write Nisha. Okay. Then student is there. Only student is there at the end. See here only student is there. So are you a? You will what you will write in second line? Are you a? Student is already there, so don't write student. Understood? Are you a? Then where? Third is where and dash is given and question mark is there. Where do you live? Now these questions are asked to Nisha. Where do you live? The next dash any brother. After any brother question mark is there. Now do you have any brother is already there. So what is the question? Do you have? Is it clear? Then how dash is there and question mark. How old is he? How old is he? Now see here every year these are the answers. Nisha, yes I am. In model town, yes a little one. He is 3. He is 3 means who? Nisha's brother is 3 years old. What question asked to her? Do you have any brother? Yes, she says yes I have one brother. So these words you have to write in the first column, in this first blank, first box. Now look at the second box also. Here what is there? I am 22. I work in a bank. Yes, I love it. Yes, I have. No, I usually go by bus. These are the answers. Based on this, we have to ask questions. Now here also half questions are there. We have to write the remaining sentence. Now first sentence what? I am 22. What you write in the first line? How old are you? What you write in the first line? How old are you? Then second, where do you work? What is here the answer? I work in a bank. So for that, where do you work? Now, yes, I love it. Third sentence is what? Yes, I love it. And then third one, your job is there and question mark is there. So, do you like your job? What is there? Third, your job and question mark is there. So, do you like your job? Then the word yes I have and a car is there. A car and after that a question mark is there. Do you have? Only I have written do you have. Why? Because a car is already there. Already a question mark is there. Then last is to work by car. To work by car means what you will write here? Do you go to work by car? These questions are asked. Did you understand? Here the sentences are there. Based on this, you were supposed to write the questions. Understood? Is it clear to you? This page number 28 you have to do. Now, see here, from your textbook only, take out page number 18. Textbook, page number 18. Page number 18. Okay. And now see here, complete the table, make words with some, any and no and every. Okay. Now people are there. See here, 3 columns are there. People, things and places. So we have to make words with some, any, no or every. The people, first one is done for you. Somebody is there. Below that write anybody. Somebody, anybody, nobody and everybody. For people, okay? Now for things, nothing, nothing, something, anything is already there, anything and everything. Anything and everything. Okay. And now what is the last third column is what? Third column is places. Anywhere, anywhere, somewhere, somewhere, everywhere, and nowhere. Everywhere and nowhere. Understood? So we have made the words over here for people, things and places. This you are going to do in the textbook on page number 18 itself. Here only you are going to write it. Now these words you have to write in the fill in the blanks over here. Now this you are going to do for homework. Second exercise for homework. Yes, here. I think she lives somewhere near the place, near the station. Somewhere place, no? So somewhere near the station. First 1 to 9 exercise. This is for your homework. Okay, you have to do it for your homework. Now below that, third exercise is there. This all here, all these words from here, you have to put it in the fill in the blank. So here people are there. From here, any one word you have to use. If a thing is there, things are mentioned over there, then from here. And if places are there, you have to choose the word. So here you have written it. These words you have to write correctly in the fill in the blank over here. On page number 18, exercise second. Now third one, rewrite each sentence using another word or phrase in place of the underlined word. Jim was never late. Jim was always in time. He was without gloves. He had no gloves. He needed a new overcoat. He was in need of a new overcoat. This I think we will write it in the notebook itself. Okay. But before that, what I want to tell you, this exercise in the textbook and the sentences also in the textbook here only. These words you write it over here only. Is it clear to you? Is it clear? Very clear to you? Everyone? Yes. Now read the lesson very properly because you have to solve the question answers and for the exam it is going to come. Okay children? Have a nice time.